The humpback whale is a species of baleen whale. They live in oceans worldwide, from the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. Humpback whales are dark gray with a white underside. They have large fins, a fluke, a blowhole for spouting, and large plates called baleen on their upper jaw. Humpback whales eat krill, small fish, and plankton. A group of humpback whales is called a pod. They make migration journeys from Alaska all the way to Hawaii. Humpback whales are known for their breaching. They can jump up to 40 feet and 12 meters into the air. Humpback whales are also known for their singing. Their songs last up to 30 minutes and can be heard about 20 miles away. Predators of the humpback whale include killer whales and great white sharks. Humpback whales live for 80 to 90 years in the wild. Humpback whales are very incredible, and they are another one of God's amazing animals.